Hello, everyone. My name is Julia, and I'm coming to you from Bach to give you a short tutorial on how to access your Bach accounts and your online lessons. This is separate from your Zoom account and Zoom login. Before this tutorial happens and before you're going through it, you should have already downloaded the Zoom app onto whatever device you'd like to use for your lessons, and then make your own Zoom account. That is completely separate from the Bach account and website. It just needs to be on the device for the video to work. So once you've downloaded Zoom and made your account, you're going to open up whatever browser you feel comfortable with. It could be Chrome, Safari. I've had success with both of those. And you're going to go up to your URL, and you're just going to type in my Bach2Rock, that's b2r.com, just like it says up on the top, myb2r.com, and click enter. And it's going to bring you to this main page where you're going to either put in an email address, username, and then your respective password. For these circumstances, I'm going to be using the email address or username ehayden1, as you can see, and then the respective password for that. And once you put those login information in and press login, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. If for some reason you don't know your login credentials, contact anyone from Bach and we would be happy to help you figure that out or send you a password rerun. So once you get to this page, you're going to see a list of names of either you or your children, whoever are going to be taking the lessons, and you're going to see what classes they're going to be taking, whether it's a group class or a single class, what levels, etc. And you can go up to this button here that says calendar, and you're going to click on that. And once the page loads, this is the monthly view, but you can also see a daily view. For these purposes, we're going to stay in the monthly view, and it's going to show you all the dates on the left-hand side of when you have certain lessons scheduled and for which student. And along with that, it'll show you what time the lesson is for. Depending on how close you are to a certain lesson, there should be a Zoom link available on this page for you to click to access your lessons. At the respective time of your lesson, you can click on the Zoom link right here. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page, and it's going to say Open Zoom Meeting. This little pop-up is going to come up, and you're going to click Open Zoom Meeting, and then this is what's going to launch the app that's separate from this website. So you click on that pop-up, and it's going to launch this little box, and it's saying, please wait for the host to start meeting. So this is where you wait for whoever is teaching you to start the meeting. And you're just going to wait here. This is perfectly fine and perfectly normal. And then as soon as your teacher or host or whoever is on the other end of the video starts the video, you're going to see the video screen. So let's see if it goes through. There we go. So now you can see me. Hello. This little box is going to come up. You should be able to see yourself. If not, it'll say join with video. But you see this little box down here that says join with video. You want to click that. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to be seen. So you go ahead and click that. And you say, please wait. The meeting host will let you in. You've been let in already. It's connecting. And then your Zoom will come up. And you want to click join with audio. Otherwise, they won't be able to hear you. You go ahead and click join with audio, and then here's Ilana. She's my teacher. So this is what it looks like. If for some reason the video or audio are not working, there are these two little buttons in the bottom left corner that either says video or mute. Make sure that you are not muted and make sure that your video is on. If you do press this button, my video goes away. And if I press this button, my audio goes away. So make sure that both of those are on, and then you should be good for your lesson. But other than that, if you guys have any questions or anything that you need help with, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. I understand, these times are a little crazy, and learning how to use all this new stuff is difficult, but we're here to help. I hope you enjoy your online lessons. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Bye, guys.